Glove. A covering for the hand with separate parts for each finger. He wore gloves to keep her hands warm. He put on his gloves before gardening. The doctor wore gloves during the surgery. They wore gloves to handle the chemicals. She bought a new pair of leather gloves.